Hello friends, welcome to HacTrics. In this channel, I'll try to show you some cool tricks in MS Excel and other office applications. Hope you guys enjoy it. Please do subscribe to my channel and share this video with your family and friends. So let's get started. So as I told you last day that today I will show you a function that is a default function that presents in Excel, which can segregate the text and the numeric portion from a string. So the function is called text to column. It is located in the data tab, text to column. So in order to perform the text to column, first you have to select the column or the range where you want to apply the text to column function. Now in text to column we have two options. One is delimited and another one is fixed width. So delimited it provides you some characters such as comma or tabs or space or particular character which is present in your string, and you can use that to delimit the string. For example, here we have a dash between the text portion and numeric portion, so we can use the dash to delimit the string. For fixed width, you can manually define the fields that are aligned in the column with spaces between each field. For example, if we select fixed width and go to next, so as you can see, you can manually define the string from where you can delimit the string. So for example, you want to delimit the string after this portion, so you can do that. So fixed width is a option where you can manually adjust the string to delimit the particular string. In the delimited, we have a character such as comma and tabs, or here in this string dash, etc. that is present in your string. We can use that. So we'll use a delimited option. Now we will select the other, since we have a specific nature of delimiter, that is the dash. We can use that to delimit the string. Alright, so now we have to select a destination where the delimited string will get pasted. Let's select a new cell B. So essentially what text to column has done, it has identified the numeric that is presented before dash and the text portion and that is after dash. And now one thing you need to observe, that in this string you have some white space. So as you can see, we have a space. Now in order to get rid of that space, you can use a formula called trim. So what trim essentially does is eliminating any unused, unwanted white space, or you may call a space from a text. So now in this text you can see no spaces there. Correct? Okay, so let's go to second scenario where we will see another way to do the same function by using another Excel feature called flash fill. So in the second scenario we will see another feature in the Excel that will perform the same process. It is segregating the text and the numeric portion from a given string, but in a different way. So the feature what I'm talking about is flash fill. Now flash fill is located in the data tab and then flash fill. Now flash fill what does is that it tries to identify a pattern from a given string. So for example, if you write 1, 2, 3 and then if you select them and drag it down, what Excel try to identify from the 1, 2, 3 is a pattern. So from second from every numeric there is an interval of 1, and from the fourth row onward Excel tries to reiterate the same, that is 4, 5, 6, 7 and so on and so forth. In the similar manner, flash fill try to identify a pattern from a given input and reiterates for the rest of the rows. For example, if you have this string and if you write over here 10051 and if you click on flash fill, it will automatically populate the rest of the row. So what flash fill have identified is that you are trying to segregate the numeric portion from the given string, and it has reiterated the same pattern in the rest of the rows. So accordingly, if you select the text portion and paste it over here, and then if you hit flash fill, it will automatically populate the rest of the rows. So it will automatically segregate the text of in the rest of the rows. So what flash fill essentially does, it tries to identify a pattern and reiterate in the next or rest of the row. So as you can see, we have performed a process like segregating numeric and text from a given string by 4 different way. In the last video I have shown you like formula by using left, length and right function, and today I have shown you Excel given features like text to column and flash fill. So hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I will try to bring more of such trick in Excel in the coming videos. Also, I'm planning to make small videos for Excel beginners consisting 10 to 12 consecutive videos. Let me know if you have any suggestion in the comment section, and please do subscribe to my channel and press the bell for all new updates. Thank you. See you in the next video.